Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to talk about Tailwind CSS typography, colors and media. Now, if you are new to Tailwind, this topic is very important because typography and colors are something you use on every single website. Most beginner thinks Tailwind is hard because there are too many classes. But once you understand why these classes exist, Tailwind actually becomes very easy. So I will explain everything slowly, step by step in this video, these typography, colors and media. And by the end of this video, you will able to style the text, color and images in the React without writing any custom CSS. So let's start. In this video, we will understand the typography utilities in the Tailwind CSS, like font, size, weight and line height. We will see how Tailwind handle the text color and the background colors, and we will also learn opacity, images, the object fit, and the responsive media. And the best part is we will do everything without writing CSS, only Tailwind classes. Now, before jumping to the code, let's first understand the concept. So, what is typography in Tailwind CSS? Typography simply means how text look on a web page. Things like font style, font size, spacing, alignment, color. All of that comes under the typography. In normal CSS, we write custom styles for this, but in Tailwind, we use the utility classes, and this make text styling faster, cleaner, and consistent across the project. So let's understand each typography part. So first one is the font family. Font family means what type of text style you want. Like Tailwind gives us the three basic font family: font sans, serif, and mono. Sans is commonly used for the website and dashboard. Serif is mostly used for the blogs and articles, and mono is mainly used for the code. So let's see in the code. So this is a basic React project. In this app.jsx, we have to write the code, and this Tailwind is already installed in this project. So let's start by writing, and inside this first, let's see h1. This is a sans, and this one is the serif, and this one is the mono. So let's style this class name padding 6, and here class name, the font sans. If you look at the focus on the in this area, and class name, sorry, font serif. See, everything is changed. Class name mono, oh sorry, font mono. So see this. So here font sans, font serif, font mono are Tailwind classes. No CSS file or no custom font family, and Tailwind handle everything. And next one is the font size. Font size control how big or small the text is. The Tailwind gives us the predefined sizes like text small, text like small, large, XL, 2XL, up to 9XL it gives, and also the smaller X, very small. So this help maintain the consistency across different screen. So let me write here, make it similar one so you can easily understand this. With JDCodebase. Now you can easily see the difference, all three. Look here, and let's write here. Font here is the, oh sorry, font is done. Text is the let's say small. Next in this, if I want to give text is the large, slightly large as compared to the normal one, and we can also write the 4XL. See, this is how this is a big heading. So these sizes are responsive friendly and already tested by the Tailwind. So instead of guessing the pixel values, we use these classes. Next one is the font weight. How means how thick or thin the text look. For heading, we usually use the bold or semi-bold. For paragraphs, normal or light works best. Light here, if I write font, uh, let's say light. See, this becomes very light, like a thin paper. Next is the font semi-bold. It becomes the bold here, semi-bold. And one more is the font extra bold. We have, see, the font is now extra bold. So no CSS, just meaningful class name. Means I need, I think I while building any app, I think this becomes a very, it becomes a very extra bold. So I just write font extra bold. No need to give the class here or find the class in the CSS file. Next one is the line height. Line height is very important for the readability. If the line height is too small, text looks cramped, and Tailwind use leading utilities for this. Like here in this second one, I write here leading how much line height I require. 8 pixel, 10, 12, 13 means see if you have a in the pixel, you can see VS Code gives us the suggestion 20 pixel for leading file and this, and also give some loose, tight. Let me give here loose. So this one say means line height is increasing by the loose, and if I want to write here leading tight, so now it becomes tight. And also we have one more is the leading relaxed. Leading relaxed. See, so for paragraph, leading relax is usually best for means for an article or paragraph. Next one is a text alignment. Text alignment is simple, left, right, or center. So text decoration include underline and line through. So let me write here. This one is the text center. It comes in the center of the page. If I write here text right, it comes to the right of the page, and this is already in the left, so there is no need to write here left, just for that. And we have one more is the text decoration is the underline. Like here, if I write here underline, I get the underline here. Or one more is the so this is enough for the font and the typography. Now let's come to the colors in the Tailwind. So font size is done, font weight, line height, text alignment, and one is the line through, no underline for this text alignment and decoration. Next is the colors in the Tailwind CSS. Tailwind has a predefined color system. Each color comes with the shades from the 50 to 900, and lower number means lighter color, higher number means darker color. So, and text color also comes text black, text white, and same for the text gray, red, blue, green, and the colors number here. So let's write here inside this text red. I have I'm giving here 200 for this. This one is red, but very this light red. So let me write here text red. This time I am giving the 500. It's become the red. It's also red, but normal red. Text red. Now give the 900 upper value. So it becomes a very means darkest part of the red. So this makes the UI colors consistent and meaningful, means give the color based on the numbers 200, 500, 900 based on the light you want or dark you want. Next one is the background color. Background color, for that just right here background, let me give here gray and 100. Again, this numbering system is similar for the background and the text color. So let's give the background. Here comes the light gray. If I write here BG gray and 500, so now it becomes a some dark shade of the gray. Now BG gray 900. So this one is, it means darker side of the gray is the black, as all the developer knows. So these are the three shades of the 200, 500 and the 900. So background and text color work together to improve the contrast. Next is the text colors done, background color done. Opacity. Opacity utilities control the transparency of an element. Like I have a button. Let me make a button. Click me and let's try this class name BG black, padding 5, margin top 7 and text white. So this is a normal button, and also right here pointer. Cursor pointer. So on hover, just write opacity 10. So you see the color is changed. This is due to the opacity. Opacity means change the color, means transparency of an element. Control the how transparent, means opacity is useful for the disable state or the hover effect. Means like here you will see this, you can change it. And next one is the images in the Tailwind CSS. We can insert, means we can design the image img and give here the source. I am copying from this, where is the image, just copy the image address and give into this source. So this image comes. Now let's try this. Class name, width is full, it all now the width is full, so the size is increasing, and also make it rounded LG, means rounded corner, and shadow is also LG, and the shadow color is the black. So see, means it's look like upper means lifting from the normal page. So Tailwind makes the images responsive by default. And next one is the object fit. Object fit, object cover, object fill, means these are the some for the this is used for the images card or the profile images to fit in that particular area for the responsive layout basically. Like here, if I write here object fit, nothing comes. If I write here object fill, what happened? Width is the 64 and height is the 40. So I set the width and height of an like an display or profile picture of a WhatsApp DP. It's a means circle of a particular height and width. For that, images sometimes go to up and down, means not comes perfectly. For that we have to use object, not bottom. We have to use cover. See this chain here. We can use the fit or the fill, means every time you write something it's changed. So object cover, keep the image proportion correct here in this. Last one is the responsive media. Responsive media means, okay, what is this? Yes, responsive media. Responsive media means every time we are not using, means my application is not using always in the laptop or the desktop browser. Every one user have the mobile and they open your website on the mobile browser also. For that we have to use the some media, like in normal CSS we use the media queries for splitting the uh, design, but in this we have some breakpoints SM, MD, LG and XL for the media queries. Now why Tailwind typography and media utilities? Because there is no custom CSS required in this. Like here we write everything by default, means just a normal one-liner code here in this, and this is a faster development. We see what we are developing in this, splitting the screen, and consistent UI, beginner friendly, also easy to maintain. If I want to change the color of this, just go to this heading and change the color. No issue with the find the class name, find the in in that CSS file. So let's summarize. Today we learn how Tailwind handles the typography, colors and media. We style the text, images, layout without writing any CSS, external CSS. This is why Tailwind is powerful and beginner friendly. So if you are new to Tailwind, don't rush. Practice these utilities in the small components. The PPT are available in the description. And in the next video, we will continue building the real UI using Tailwind with the React. If this video helpful, like it, subscribe to JD Codebase. I will see you in the next video.